How to turn off military time on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, scroll down and go to Date and Time. You can view and manage the date and time settings from here. If you want to stop using military time, then turn off the 24-hour time option at the top. Military time uses a 24-hour format. Like the 12-hour format, the first two digits represent the hour, and the last two represent minutes. With military time, the day starts with 0000. Following these steps, you can easily turn off military time on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.